you need your journal and something to write with. And then you also need a ruler and the yardstick. Can you go get a ruler and a yardstick? And then the last thing you need is the converting measurements maze. And this is in games and activities. But you need the one that is inches, feet, yards, and miles. That's what we're going to do today. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to figure out how many inches are in a foot. 12. 12 inches are in a foot. Can you figure out how many inches are in a yard? And can you figure out how many feet are in a yard? Okay, now do that, and then when you're done, I'm going to give you some information, okay? 12 inches are in 1 foot. 36 inches are in 1 yard. Can you write all this down? 3 feet are in a yard. 63,360 inches are in a mile. 1,760 yards are in a mile. And 5,280 feet are in a mile. So make sure to have all this information written down. Now, I think you guys have run a mile, haven't you? A mile is a distance. Well, all these are used to measure distance, right? A lot of times people will use miles when we're running or when we're in the car, or miles are used to measure longer distances, right? If you think of a big football field and a track that goes around the football field, you run around that 4 times, and that's a mile. Yeah. Okay. So now let's look at this. The maze. We know where to start. 3 feet equals how many inches? Well, how many inches is in 1 foot? 12. So what are we going to do to find 3 feet? Multiply 3 times 12, right? And if you need to write that down, hey, write it down. We multiply 3 times 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 36. So 3 feet equals 36 inches. We color this in or put a star right here, and then we follow. We find 36, and we go to the next one. 2 yards, okay, equals how many feet? Well, how many feet is in 1 yard? 3. So 2 yards equals how many feet? 6, right? Okay, 6. So color this in or put a star in it or whatever. Let's go down. 3 miles equals how many feet? Well, how many feet is in 1 mile? 5,280. We're trying to find 3 miles. So we've got to multiply this by 3, right? Okay. All right. Go ahead and you can finish your maze. Make sure to check your answer in the Games and Activities answer folder. Have fun.